My name is Emily Esplandiu, and I am a research associate in Dr. Diego Learman's benthic ecology and coral restoration lab here at the University of Miami. Up until now, coral restoration research has focused mainly on coral colony survivorship and growth as metrics for looking at the success of coral restoration practices. While these metrics are really important for studying species recovery, it takes a much more complex approach to look at how coral restoration practices are directly impacting the reef ecosystem. My master's thesis work focused on looking beyond coral colony research to look at how coral restoration can impact the reef ecosystem as a whole. To do this, we looked at a variety of different metrics on the reef ecosystem, including fish herbivory, carbonate production by corals, bioerosion by other reef organisms, coral recruitment, and epifaunal recruitment. Understanding these metrics can help us understand the health and the state of our coral restoration sites.